We're back on our job, and today I'm with my new friend. So as you can see, I'm saying, do you want to play a game? Quite blurry, so you can hardly see. Okay, we're gonna play Scoot, if she wants to, or he, whatever it is. Maybe I'll just invite her. I don't think she knows. Doesn't want to play it. Okay, she wants to play checkers. That's what we'll play. How to play. Tap one of your pieces, then tap a black square next to it to move it. Jump over your opponent's pieces to capture them. Capture all your opponent's pieces to win. Now let's go. My turn. Okay. Oh, so we tap on this. Okay. Oh no. Pretty sweet. Do you know what to do? That's not major, no idea. My turn? Okay. This is me. Where am I? Okay. Okay. I'm playing checkers with my new buddy.
Playing in the pageant pool,
Oh.
playing on the swings, playing on a trampoline, and then playing on the floor. What do you have to do?
Oh, it's checkers, you'll see.
Do you have to, like, press the yellow things?
Oh. Yeah. When you get older, you'll be able to read the instructions.
Tell me how to play it.
It's hard to explain. And I can't really in the middle of a video.
What's a video?
Videoing.
How do they even video it? Which demos do you like the best?
Would you stop talking in the middle of this? Wait, is it my go? Oh, it's her go. I don't know what this means, but I think it means like smash one of mine. First, aw, she left the game. Okay guys, this will have to be the end of the video for today, so bye. Say bye, Francesca. Wait, show everyone this egg you have. Okay, I don't know about it. Okay, bye everyone.